Hi, I'm Lowell Sheppard on board sailing vessel Wahine at Gypsy 402, and this is Pacific Solo.
I'm preparing for the greatest challenge of my life, to sail solo across the North Pacific from Tokyo to Vancouver in June 2021. My journey will take me to the Great Pacific Garbage Patch and to the point farthest from land in any direction, a set of coordinates I call Nemo North. From there, I will turn towards Canada to reunite with my 92-year-old mother. And I want to take you on this voyage with me via this channel. So join me on this Pacific Solo expedition.
Good morning, everybody. It's January the 5th in the morning. I've been back on the boat since January 1st. This episode is going to kind of catalog, just give you an insight to the last few days, beginning with my drive up to the boat with my grandson from our log home in Nagoya, passing the iconic mountain of Japan, Mt Fuji. Then there's the phone call to my mother, whose birthday was on January the 1st, and she turned 92 years of age. And then the polar bear swim, the cold water training on the 3rd. And then yesterday on the 4th, I've just been converting the boat from my live-in digs in Tokyo to a workshop, getting all the tools out in the open so we can see them and easily access. So many projects to go on. Well, New Year's is all about goal setting, and I received my hard copy of Sorted magazine. Thank you, Steve Legg and Allison Hall. Thank you for also featuring Pacific Solo in the mag. But I was particularly struck by Peter Horn's article. So much good stuff in this magazine, actually. And I'll put up a screenshot of his column, and I won't go into the detail myself. And I'm no expert on neuroscience, but I do understand something about goal setting, and what he writes resonates with me. And particularly when you set goals that have an emotional element to them, and you connect that emotion with a rational part of the brain that does the planning, analysis, and detail, the likelihood of success, from what I read in Peter Horn's writings, is greatly achieved. And so I have a pretty ambitious goal this year. I'm doing my best to plan for it. I don't think I can mitigate all the risks. And so I'm preparing now this boat to, as of the end of February, I'm a seafaring nomad. I may be harbor hopping some of the time up and down the coast of Japan, making it to Okinawa for training, and then off to Canada in the spring. But I'm motivated, and I'm trying to be as careful in planning as I can and doing what I can. So if you want to check out Sorted magazine, check out, it's only available on subscription. I'm not sure whether there's an online subscription service or not. So enjoy the film, and bear with me, as there'll be no sailing the next few weeks, but we'll be showing the progress on the electrics, on the solar panels, on the furler, on the new sails, and an array of other small things, making a bimini, connecting the Dodger to the bimini, and much, much more. So Happy New Year, happy goal setting. Well, it's January 1st in Canada, January 2nd here in Japan. It's my mother's birthday. She was the first baby born in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada in 1929. And so I'm going to phone her now and wish her a happy birthday. So hopefully she'll be able to pick up the phone. And so let's see here. Put it on speaker. Mom.
Hello.
Hey, Mom, how are you?
I'm pretty good.
That's good. So it's your birthday today. I want to sing happy birthday to you.
Okay, I'll go for that.
Here we go.
I was just singing.
You were just thinking what?
I was sitting out with two of the gentlemen. We were just going to sing it.
Oh, well, sitting
So
with two
go
gentlemen.
ahead, go.
Okay, so here we go.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mother, Greta May Sheppard. Happy birthday to you and many more. You were born in 1929, January 1st. And that makes you 92 years old, Mom.
Yeah, 92 years
You're
old.
92 years old, yeah.
I'm going to write that down.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
90, I'm 98.
No, you're 92. You're
I'm
92.
92.
You're 92 years
I'm
old.
glad
Yeah, write it down.
I'm not,
Yeah.
I haven't got all the pens and pencils here.
Oh, it's okay. So I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. I'll let you get back to the two gentlemen who want to sing it to you, and I'll phone you again tomorrow. And I love you.
Okay, I love you too, son.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, I love you dearly.
I love you dearly too. Bye-bye.
Okay, sweetie.
Sweet.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. There we go. It's always a treat. Make it short because she can't cope with longer conversations sometimes. And just feel so much for her having had no real physical contact with family in 2020. Love your family. Be good to each other.
Train different. Train different. Yeah.
If you've enjoyed this video and would like to support me and the Pacific Solo Expedition, please subscribe to the channel and like and share and comment on the episodes. You can head over to my Facebook page or the Pacific Solo website for regular updates. And you can find a wide selection of original Pacific Solo and Nemo North products on my store. Everything from enamel mugs and neck gaiters to t-shirts and hoodies. Pick up some merchandise for yourself or a gift for that somebody special. Every purchase goes to support Pacific Solo and to create educational materials for the Great Pacific Learning Project and my partnership with schools, which will help raise awareness and bring information to students about the importance of protecting our oceans. Take care, everybody.